Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be showing you how you can get airdrops from ZERO1. But before we get started, I want to give us a brief introduction of what ZERO1 is all about. What is ZERO1? ZERO1 is a modular platform that integrates decentralized AI for data governance and ownership. It is dedicated to ushering in the next generation of builders and innovators into the DAI space. So how do we get started? First of all, you click on the link in the description box. Click on get early access. You sign in with your Twitter account. After signing in with your Twitter account, you connect your wallet. Then I'm going to connect my wallet. You use MetaMask wallet. I'm connecting my MetaMask. Click on connect. Then your MetaMask is connected. The next is to complete the early access form. So for you to complete the early access form, you have to write your Twitter username. Then next is to write your Telegram username. So after writing your Telegram username, you go on to write your Discord username. The next thing you do is to click on the ones that best describe you. Follow their social media accounts. So you follow them on Twitter. You join their Telegram channel. Click on join channel. The next is to join their Discord channel. You click on join Discord. So we are in the Discord channel. You click on the verify icon. Click on the rabbit to verify your account. So you click on I followed on Twitter, join Discord and Telegram. Click on complete, click on continue, then you accept. So you sign in and you're good to go. So all you need to do is now copy your referral link so you can refer other people to join this airdrop. We have different ways of earning points. You earn points by referrals and you earn points by interacting with tweets. Copy your referral link and send it to other people so you can earn points from there. Then the next one is interacting with tweets. All you need to do is go to the Discord channel, then go to the bot command channel. When you click on the bot command channel, you type /set Twitter, add your username to connect your Twitter handle. You also go to interact to earn channel on the Discord. There you will start interacting with the channel. Go to their Twitter account, you interact, comment, you retweet, and you like. Comment and retweet gives you 30 points each. Then likes gives you 15 points. So we have come to the end of this. If you like the video, click on the subscribe button and share the video. See you next time.